everyone. I wanted to show you a cool new tool that I became aware of in your Google Docs. So it's for voice typing. What you're going to be able to do with this tool is you will be able to simply speak into your microphone and the document will type out the words for you instead of you having to type it. So this is something that's available to everybody through Google Docs. So if you are in Google Docs, this is my test document. You're going to click on Tools and go down to Voice Typing. So you're going to click on that. The first time that you do this, in your top screen, it's going to ask you if you will allow the access to your microphone, so just click Allow. Once you've done that once, it should set that out automatically. So all you're going to do is you're going to click to speak, and it's going to say whatever, it's going to type whatever you are saying. So I will show you an example. I am speaking, and the computer is typing what I want to say, period. As I've been practicing with this, I've noticed that it is very accurate, period. Most of the time, there are very few mistakes that the computer is making, period. Notice that I'm talking in a relatively normal voice, period. New line. By saying that phrase, I am able to now skip to a new line without having to touch my keyboard, exclamation point. As I've been speaking, you'll notice that I'm saying the punctuation marks out loud. That is because I need to, in order to start a new sentence, I need to type that, period. I need to say that, period. I'm going to stop recording now. So you'll notice that I am not speaking perfectly, right? I'm still going to need to go back and I'm going to need to make some edits. I sometimes stutter. I sometimes say things that I then want to make corrections to. So it's not going to be something that you just speak and then you turn in the doc and it's all done. You obviously still are going to need to go back and make corrections. However, it is pretty accurate on picking up my speech, and I didn't take much time to practice at all. I know in other voice-to-text applications that exist, you have to make sure that you're really speaking in a certain way and that you're pronouncing things in a certain way. This one doesn't seem to be as much of an issue, so that's really awesome. I noticed, I will have to go back and I have to add capital letters. Again, I might have to delete something or move something around, but I think it's a really cool option if you are someone who has trouble sometimes typing out an essay or an answer to a question, but maybe you have the words in your head, you just struggle to type it. So this is a really cool option for you. The other thing that I want to point out is it has all these different languages that you can change it to. So if you speak in a different language, and the languages are specific to the countries that you are speaking from. So that's another little cool feature there. Overall, I think this is a really cool tool. Again, it is not something that you do and then you immediately turn in your assignments, but it's going to be able to help some of you that maybe are not the fastest typers, maybe you're a little bit fatigued with typing, you want to take a break from it, and you can just get your thoughts onto paper in a quick way. Okay, so again, to summarize, if you're in a Google Doc, you go to Tools and you click on Voice Typing, and it is as simple as that. It will open up on the left side of your screen.